In this biology conflict project, my topic was the controversy of the Fourth Amendment being violated by DNA collection of arrestees. First off, what is the Fourth Amendment? The Fourth Amendment states, "The right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects, against unreasonable searches and seizures, shall not be violated, and no warrants shall issue, but upon probable cause, supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized." The conflict here is that when individuals are arrested, their DNA gets collected, and there is a controversy that this collection of DNA violates the Fourth Amendment. My central question that I answered through this painting was, is it ethical to collect DNA from individuals who haven't been proven guilty? My painting here shows a person who is made up of puzzle pieces which represent DNA. Police use DNA to identify suspects of a crime that has taken place. Puzzle pieces are put together to create a complete picture, however in my painting I had them spread out. And there are two hands which represents law enforcement doing different things. The first hand on the left side is collecting DNA with a Q-tip that could be left at crime scenes, and the hand on the right side is taking DNA from the person. Although there have been arguments that the collection of DNA can also help solve crimes, some argue that it's an invasion of privacy. The DNA that is collected goes to the National DNA Database. There are two ways that DNA can be used to solve crimes. The first is to compare a sample from a suspect to a sample from the crime scene. The second way is when a suspect hasn't been identified. The DNA can also be used to reveal our relations to others and can be used to perform familial searches, which is a search for people who could be related to the sample, and it invades innocent people's lives. I wanted to show this invasion of privacy through the handcuffs being around the person's body instead of just their hands. Arrestees are not like convicts or parolees who have already been proven guilty of crimes and shouldn't expect to be intruded upon by their privacy.